If you own a Ford F-150 and you think you know everything your truck can do, you are probably wrong. Ford engineers buried dozens of features deep inside these trucks that never made it into the sales brochure, and that your dealership almost certainly never walked you through. These are not gimmicks. These are practical, genuinely useful tools that solve real problems F-150 owners deal with every single day, and the vast majority of owners have absolutely no idea they exist. Today, we are going through 12 hidden F-150 functions that only about 1% of owners ever discover. Every single one of these works right now on your truck. Let's get into it. Number 12. The hidden keypad door code recovery. If your F-150 is a 2024 or earlier model, it has a keypad on the driver's door. Most owners know that. What most owners do not know is that Ford programmed a factory door code into every single one of these trucks at the assembly line, and that code is still inside your truck right now. If you never changed it and you have no idea what it is, you do not need the dealer. Pop open the trim panel on the passenger side footwell and find the body control module. There is a sticker on the BCM with a 5-digit code. That is your factory keypad code. On many models, there is also a 2-key method. Insert the first key. Turn the ignition to on. Wait a few seconds. Turn off. Remove. Insert the second key. Turn to on. The factory code will briefly appear on your instrument cluster. Once you have it, you can program your own personal code through the keypad itself. 5 button presses and you own your access. No dealer visit. No fee. Your truck has been holding your door code for you this entire time. Ford just never told you where to look. Number 11. Remote window drop. Your F-150 has been sitting in a parking lot in July. The cabin temperature is pushing, the steering wheel is untouchable, the seats could cook an egg. Before you open that door and take a blast of oven heat to the face, pull out your key fob and press and hold the unlock button for at least 3 seconds. Every window in the truck will drop at the same time. If you have a moonroof, that opens too. By the time you walk to the door, the trapped hot air has already started venting out. It works in reverse too. Press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds and every window rolls back up. Forgot whether you left a window cracked when it starts raining? 1 button, 3 seconds, done. No need to walk back to the truck. This is a standard feature on F-150 models equipped with one-touch power windows. Ford calls it Global Open and Close. Number 10. The Onboard Payload Scale. Starting with the 2021 model year, Ford offered an optional onboard payload scale for the F-150. If your truck has it, it is constantly measuring how much weight is in the bed and displaying it on the touchscreen. Go to your truck settings, find towing, look for onboard scales. It shows you a real-time readout of the weight in the bed and what percentage of your max payload you are currently using. You can also zero out the scale before loading to measure exactly what you are adding. 4 sensors, one at each corner of the truck, measure the suspension displacement to calculate the weight. And here is the part most owners miss entirely. The truck also shows your payload status through the taillights. 4 LED bars in the taillight housing light up progressively as you approach max capacity. If the top bar starts blinking, you are over your limit. Your tail lights are telling you how heavy your load is. You just never knew to look at them that way. Number 9. Pro Trailer Backup Assist. If your F-150 has the tow technology package, there is a small knob on the dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. That knob lets you back up a trailer using one hand. Here is how it works. Put the truck in reverse. Turn the knob in the direction you want the trailer to go, and the truck does all the counter-steering for you. Left on the knob means the trailer goes left. Right means right. The system controls the steering wheel entirely. It takes about 90 seconds to set up the first time. You stick a target sticker on the trailer tongue, the camera identifies it, and you are done. After that, every time you back up, the system knows exactly where the trailer is and where it is going. Experienced trailer guys will tell you they do not need it. Then they try it and never go back. Number 8. Max Recline Seats. If you have ever tried to nap in a truck during a long job site day or a road trip, you know the drill. You lean the seat back as far as it goes, your lower back hangs in the gap, and you wake up feeling worse than before you closed your eyes. Ford solved this. On 2021 and newer F-150 models in the King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited trims, the front seats have a Max Recline function that folds them nearly flat to 180 degrees. But the trick is not just the recline. As the seat back goes down, the bottom of the seat lifts up 3.5 inches to fill the gap and create a genuinely flat surface. The upper seat back also rotates forward to support your neck. No extra motors, no complicated setup. You push the recline button, and the seat does the rest. Ford holds 5 patents on this mechanism alone. They designed it because they found out how many owners were sleeping in their trucks and doing it badly. Now you do not have to. Ford put a bed in your truck, not in the back, in the front seat. Number 7. Zone lighting. On 2021 and newer F-150 models with the LED lighting package, your truck has zone lighting built into the mirrors, the cargo bed, and the front fenders. You control them individually through the sync screen or through the Ford Pass app from your phone. Setting up camp and need to light the area behind the truck? Turn on the bed lights and the mirror spotlights. Working on something on the passenger side? Light up that zone only. Loading gear at 5 a.m.? Hit the front zone lights and you have a work site. The system puts out 360 degrees of usable light without running the engine. It draws from the truck battery, and on the PowerBoost Hybrid, it can run for extended periods without touching your starting power. Quick thing before we keep going. If you look at the analytics on this channel, somewhere around 80% of the people watching right now have not subscribed. You are watching the content, but the algorithm is not connecting us. If you want to see the next video when it drops, subscribe now. Takes 1 second, and it makes sure the algorithm actually does its job. Number 6. Tailgate work surface. If you have the optional tailgate work surface on the 2021 and newer F-150, flip the tailgate down and look at the top edge. There is a built-in ruler, a clamp pocket for holding lumber or sheet goods, a pencil holder, and a cup holder integrated into the tailgate itself. The ruler is calibrated in both inches and centimeters. The clamp slots hold standard spring clamps. Ford literally turned your tailgate into a mobile workbench. Most owners with this option have used their tailgate 1,000 times and never noticed the ruler stamped into the surface. Number 5. Adaptive cruise with stop and go. If your F-150 has adaptive cruise control with stop and go, the system does not just maintain distance. It will bring your truck to a complete stop in traffic, hold the brake for up to 3 seconds, and then resume automatically when the car ahead moves. If the stop lasts longer than 3 seconds, one tap of the resume button or a light press on the gas pedal reactivates it. In heavy highway traffic, this means your truck handles the entire speed management cycle without you touching the brake pedal once. Most owners set cruise on the highway and turn it off in traffic. They do not realize the same button handles both. The system works all the way down to 0 miles per hour. Number 4. Sync SecuriLock Anti-Theft Relearn. Every F-150 has SecuriLock, Ford's passive anti-theft system. The chip in your key communicates with the truck, and if the truck does not recognize the chip, the engine will not start. Period. What most people do not know is that you can program a new key yourself without going to the dealer, as long as you have 2 already programmed keys. Insert key 1, turn to on, wait 5 seconds, turn off, remove. Insert key 2, turn to on, wait 5 seconds, turn off, remove. Insert the new key, turn to on. The security light blinks and stops. The new key is now programmed. On newer push-button start models, the process uses the key fobs instead, but the same principle applies. 2 recognized fobs, plus a new blank fob, and the truck does the programming itself. A dealer charges $150 to $300 for this. The truck does it for free. Number 3. Trailer Light Check Mode. You hook up a trailer. You need to check that every light works. Normally, this is a 2-person job. One person sits in the cab pressing the brake and cycling the turn signals, while the other person walks around the trailer confirming each light. Your F-150 has a built-in trailer light check mode. Go to the sync screen, open towing, and select trailer light check. The truck automatically cycles through left turn, right turn, brake lights, and running lights in sequence, holding each one for several seconds. You walk around the trailer by yourself and verify every light. No helper needed. No awkward phone call to your wife asking her to press the brake 5 more times. One person, 30 seconds, done. Number 2, ProPower Onboard. If your F-150 has ProPower Onboard, your truck is a mobile generator. The system comes in 3 tiers. Gas engine F-150S get 2 kilowatts, enough for chargers and small tools. The Power Boost Hybrid gets 2.4 kilowatts standard, and if you opted for the 7.2 kilowatt upgrade on the Power Boost, you get 4 120-volt outlets and a 240-volt outlet in the bed that can run a circular saw, an air compressor, or an entire campsite. Here is where it gets serious. With the 7.2 kilowatt system and a Genelink transfer switch wired to your home electrical panel, your F-150 Power Boost can provide emergency backup power to your house during an outage. The engine idles quietly while the generator runs. During Hurricane Beryl in Texas, owners reported running their homes for 5 days straight on a single tank of gas. The system automatically manages load through the sync screen. If you plug in too many devices, it alerts you before tripping. Most owners use the bed outlet to charge a phone and have no idea they are sitting on a system that can keep the lights on when the grid goes dark. Number 1, Interior Work Surface. The Flat Shifter Secret. This is the most overlooked feature on the entire truck. On 2021 and newer F-150S with the column shifter, the center console has a fold flat option. Fold down the front armrest, fold down the rear section, and the entire center of your cab becomes a flat work surface at table height. You can eat lunch on it. You can spread out blueprints. You can set a laptop on it during a job site call. Ford designed it specifically for people who work out of their trucks, and it turns your F-150 into a mobile office in about 4 seconds. There is no app required, no sync menu to navigate, no setting to enable, you just fold it down. And nearly every F-150 owner I have talked to either did not know it existed or forgot about it within a week of buying the truck because nobody at the dealership ever showed them. Think about what you just learned. The key programming trick alone saves you $150 to $300 at the dealer. The trailer light check saves you time every single hookup. The payload scale prevents overloading that voids your warranty and blows suspension components that cost $2,000 to replace. If even one of these features was new to you, imagine what else your truck can do that you have not found yet. If you want to know the 10 mistakes that are silently destroying your F-150 and how to stop every single one, that video is on your screen right now. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one.